I'm Rachel Mabbitt and I'm a co-owner of Pitchfork Provision based in Llandilo. Just being able to show the staff how much we value them and how we can invest in them has really lifted, I think, their morale. It's been quite inspirational, giving them new ideas and just that motivation and want to try new things. Also giving them the confidence to try new things. And I think people coming in and being, no, you're doing a really good job, experts saying that to them is giving them a real kind of confidence boost. Ni'n really lwcus gyda'r tîm sydd gyda ni yn barod achos mae lot o talent a sgiliau yn y tîm. Ond maen nhw wastad gyda fel syniadau newydd a pethau maen nhw moyn trial. A na beth sy'n cadw'r swydd yn cyffroes i nhw. Felly ni yn trial cefnogi nhw faint ni'n gallu. Ond ni'n cael y help i cefnogi nhw achos mae pethau yn costi llawer o arian. Mae fe jyst wedi bod yn arbennig.
Fiw Jenno, dwi'n pobi fan yn Pitchfork Provision a nes I cwrs bara a pasta. Achos bod fi heb cael I treino fel yn broffesiynol, oedd e'n gret cael rhywun I ddysgu ni yr ochr mwy technegol a gwyddonol o rhywbeth. So mae fe'n gret gallu fel gwneud rhywbeth a wedyn deall yn hollol pam neu sut mae rhywbeth yn gallu newid y cynnyrch yn y pen draw. Oedd e'n profiad gret, dath Wayne mewn am 3 diwrnod. Gafon ni cyfle I wneud sawl math gwahanol o fara, sourdough, bagels, gwella pethau ni'n wneud yn barod. Oedd e'n cael gweld sut o'n ni'n wneud proses ni a wedyn bod ni'n gallu addasu fe a trio gwella beth yn bach. O ddydd I ddydd bod yna shifts yn newid a bethau ni nawr yn gallu cael cysondeb gwell, mae'r safon yn well achos bod ni gyd yn un peth. Pethau fel mesur pH y starter neu sut I gyfrifo tymeredd dŵr. So mae'r sgiliau I gyd I bod yn gret I wella safonau'r cynnyrch. Y cynllun yw dros cyfnod haf, falle ar ôl y haf hefyd, yw I defnyddio safle'r caffi yn Llandilo a wneud pasta nights. So mae fe'n gret bod dan i'r offer a'r sgiliau fan hyn I wneud y toes. Yr un peth efo'r cegin yn Llandilo, mae dan nhw'r sgiliau cegin. Fyna, wedyn mae'r ddau o'n i'n cwrdd yn y canol a gallu cynnal os o'n pasta. Fi'n credu mae'r gallu dysgu rhywbeth newydd. Mae fe'n gret i'r unigolyn sy'n gweithio yma, ond hefyd i'r busnes gallu cynnig sawl gwasanaeth, ond o un hwb.
Hi, my name's Jane and I did the social media marketing course. I meet Pete once a week. Usually he'll come here and then I'll shadow him doing his work for the day. So watching how he interacts with customers, how he gets his content, what he's looking for in a story, sort of the meaning behind some of the photos rather than just shooting a product. So that there's a bit more, a bit more meaning behind the posts in the hope that that sort of appeals to a wider audience than on Instagram. So we're trying to find the story behind Pitchfork and what our story is so that we can put it across through the social media. But then also sort of learning how he does his workflow, because that is an important part of it. How do you fit it into your day? How do you organise it? How do you organise sort of all the sort of technical stuff as well, like how I'm going to store all my photos rather than having it all on my phone. Where's it going to be kept? How do I share it with everybody? Those sort of things as well, because if there's certain events and things coming up, then we need to sort of plan our photography around that and then how we're going to promote that event.
Go for it. It's just so easy. I can't explain how easy it is. You've got an email address and a contact. They don't care how much you email them either. They're just at the end of the phone to help with anything. They're just like normal people, approachable, lovely people who genuinely want to help you as a business. And if they don't know the answer, they'll know someone who does know the answer and they'll signpost you to the right direction. It's just been so easy, that's the only word I can describe for it, and it's been so beneficial for the business as a whole. Any queries you have, I recommend you get in touch with the Food and Drink Skills Wales programme because I guarantee they'll be able to help you.